Hello, children. Welcome to all. Today, I am here to explain the chapter Major Domains of the Earth. Let's start. The Earth has all the life sustaining elements like land, air, and water. Thus, it can be said that the Earth is composed of three main parts. These are the sphere of rocks, that is lithosphere, the sphere of water, that is hydrosphere, and the sphere of air, that is atmosphere. The sphere where we find land, water, and air together and which contains all forms of life is called the biosphere. First of all, I will explain lithosphere. The hard crust that forms the outer solid surface of the earth on which we live is known as the lithosphere. Lithosphere includes the rocks of the earth's crust and the thin layers of soil. It can broadly be divided into two major divisions, that are continents and oceans. The continents can be defined as the huge land masses rising above the sea level. There are seven continents on the earth, that is Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. First, I will explain Asia. It lies in the northern and eastern hemispheres and covers about one third of the Earth's surface. It is the largest continent. The combined landmass of Europe and Asia is called Eurasia. Tropic of Cancer and the equator passes through this continent. India lies in Asia continent. Africa. It is the second largest continent in the world. It is the only continent through which the equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and the Greenwich Meridian pass. Africa is the home of the world's longest river, Nile, and the world's largest desert, Sahara. It is the hottest and the driest desert in the world. Now come to North America. It is the third largest continent of the world. It is situated in the northern and western hemispheres. North America is connected with South America by a narrow stretch of land called the Isthmus of Panama. South America. It lies in the western and southern hemispheres. It is the fourth largest continent and roughly triangular in shape. It is the home of the world's largest river, the Amazon. Now, I will explain about Antarctica. It lies in the southern, western, and eastern hemispheres. It is the fifth largest and third smallest continent in the world. Antarctica is also called the frozen continent. Maitri and Dakshin Gangotri are the main research stations of India at Antarctica. It lies in the northern and eastern hemispheres. It is the sixth largest and second smallest continent in the world. Now, Australia. It lies in the southern and eastern hemispheres. It is the only continent that is also a country. Australia is surrounded by water from all sides. That is why it is also called an island continent. Our next topic is hydrosphere. The earth is called the blue planet. More than 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Still, we are running out of water because 97% of all the water on the earth is salty water, and most of the remaining 3% is stored in ice sheets, groundwater, and water vapor. To conclude, we get only 0.03% of total water as a fresh water. One of the most important component of hydrosphere is oceans. Ocean waters are always moving. Notably, there are five major oceans in the world. First, let us talk about the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and Mariana Trench is the deepest part of the earth. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It is S shaped. It is the busiest ocean in terms of trade. The most important thing about this ocean is that the coastline of Atlantic Ocean is highly indented that provides ideal location for natural harbors and ports. Now, let us talk about our very own the Indian Ocean. It is the only ocean named after a country. It is triangular in shape. The Southern Ocean encircles the Antarctica, which is entirely in southern hemisphere, while the Arctic Ocean, which is in the northern hemisphere, it lies within the Arctic Circle. It is connected with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water known as Bering Strait. I hope now you must have understood these topics nicely. Another two topics I will explain you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.